Here is a clock with a dual clock with GMT hour and a local hour. In my case is GMT plus 2. And here is Arduino, RTC with DS3231, displays with ST7735 Arduino board, and I have 3 buttons. I use 3 buttons in this case. I push once, I can change hour, minutes, see, name of day, hour, year, month, day, and local hour is maximum 12 and minimum is minus 12. See, value are stored in the EEPROM memory for GMT hour, local hour, and other value are in RTC.